Have you ever wondered why your beautiful white furniture starts to look yellow over time? In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind this common problem and, more importantly, how to fix it. White furniture brings a sense of freshness and modernity to any space. It's a classic choice that brightens rooms and offers a versatile canvas for decor. From minimalist to chic, white furniture adds elegance and sophistication. But what happens when that pristine white starts to fade? The common problem. Your once crisp white furniture slowly but surely turns an unsightly yellow. It's a frustrating issue that many homeowners face. So why does this happen? Let's delve into the main culprits behind yellowing white furniture. One of the biggest factors is UV exposure from sunlight. Direct sunbeams can cause a chemical reaction in the materials, leading to discoloration. Oxidation from air pollution, dust, and even cooking fumes can also contribute. Over time, these airborne particles settle and react with the surface. Believe it or not, some cleaning products can leave behind residues that yellow over time, especially if not rinsed properly or if they contain harsh chemicals. Finally, the natural aging process and material breakdown play a role. Over many years, the inherent properties of the furniture can simply begin to change. Now that we know why it happens, let's get to the solutions. Don't despair. There are ways to restore your furniture's original brilliance. For minor yellowing, a gentle cleaning solution of mild dish soap and water can work wonders. Use a soft cloth and wipe gently. For more severe yellowing, a hydrogen peroxide treatment can be effective. Always spot test in an inconspicuous area first, as it can be strong. As a last resort, if the yellowing is extensive or deeply set, repainting or refinishing the furniture might be necessary. This gives it a completely fresh start. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are some tips to keep your white furniture bright for longer. When purchasing or painting, opt for furniture with UV protective finishes. These act as a shield against sun-induced yellowing. Regular, gentle cleaning helps prevent the buildup of dirt, dust, and residues that contribute to yellowing. Make it a routine. Strategically position your furniture away from direct sunlight. If that's not possible, consider using blinds or curtains during peak sun hours. Maintain good air quality in your home. Use air purifiers and ensure good ventilation to reduce airborne pollutants that can cause discoloration. By understanding the causes and applying these solutions, you can keep your white furniture looking pristine for years to come. Remember, gentle cleaning, UV protection, and good air quality are your best friends in the fight against yellowing. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy your bright, beautiful white furniture for a long time. Thanks for watching.